It didn't take long for Apple to join the ranks of tech companies releasing information about government data requests. Microsoft and Facebook released info on Friday, and Apple joined late Sunday. The Cupertino company gave some insight into the requests in a statement on its website. From December 1st, 2012 to May 31st, 2013, Apple received 4,000 to 5,000 data requests from the government. 9,000 to 10,000 specific devices or accounts were noted in these requests and include criminal investigations and matters of national security. But Apple didn't stop at just releasing the number of requests. The tech company elaborated on the requests and stated some interesting revelations. Apple says most of the requests involve police investigations of robberies, missing children, locating patients with Alzheimer's, and attempting to prevent suicide, and only provides pertinent data. If requests seem inaccurate or inconsistent, Apple says its legal team rejects them. Interestingly, the Cupertino company makes it a point to mention it doesn't keep, quote, a mountain of personal details about our customers in the first place. Any iMessage or FaceTime conversations are secured through end-to-end encryption. Not even Apple can decrypt this data. Moreover, your location, map searches, and Siri requests aren't stored in an identifiable form. That is, this data is not tied to you. But this so-called transparency from major tech companies is being called into question. The Next Web notes the unspecific nature of the shared information and how some tech companies are reacting. Google and Twitter have criticized Microsoft and Facebook's declarations because they do not distinguish between the types of requests made, and that fact applies to Apple's numbers too. How much data is going to national security? To local law enforcement? Users want to know where their information is going, not just how much. But major tech companies, Apple included, continue to push for more transparency. In Microsoft's statement to consumers, the company said, "We understand they have to weigh carefully the impacts on national security. With more time, we hope they will take further steps. Transparency alone may not be enough to restore public confidence, but it's a great place to start." For Newsy, I'm Micah Sargent, multiple sources, our broader view.